This drill kit is awesome. So it all comes in this small box, and what you get is this really cool contractor bag with handles. You can open it up. There's a lot of room inside the bag. It's really good quality, kind of rigid at the bottom, so you can hold your drill in there. Also, you get this charger that works really great, has the indicator light when it's charging. And of course, you get the drill, which is really well built, good drill for how powerful it is. It is pretty small in your hand, works very well. You also get the battery, so this is how the charger works. You just slide that in like that. You can see the indicator indicating that it's charging. Put the battery back in, snaps in nice. And what the selling point for me was that it has this cool pocket clip that you can attach, so you can wear it on your belt, so you can have your hands free when you're doing your other work. You have your different controls over here for how powerful it is. You have a 1 and then a 2, depending on how much power you need. Definitely a great grill. Very tough, very rigid. Going to last a really long time. This one is new. It has a light down here so you can see what you're doing. I use this for concrete. My house is concrete construction, so whenever I'm hanging stuff on the wall in the garage or outside, I use this drill. So I just want to show you guys me screwing in some screws. So to put our bit on, we're going to put it over here, hold the chuck, tighten it up. It's nice and tight. It'll lower down the torque for this. Now we'll take our screw and we'll go over here. Goes in really nice and easy. And then if you want to go to take your bit out, you just unscrew, take it out. Really good construction. Has the metal part up here. The plastic is good. Fits great in your hand. So if you're looking for a affordable drill kit, I would definitely recommend this drill kit because it comes with everything you need, including the pocket clip. So click the link down below to get one for yourself.